Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
(2008) Volvo xc90 Volvo 3.2. Doesn't matter if it's a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder. We're doing the cabin filter. So this is the cabin filter here. So if you don't know how long that filter been in there, just put something on it or be prepared that a lot of trash might fall out when you pull that out. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take this panel here, you're gonna pull it off. Well, not the little piece. Snap this one back in. I need the whole panel like that. And just slide it back a little bit. Then you're gonna take a T25. You're gonna have 2 screws. One right here. Another one right there. Okay, once you have those 2 screws, now we're gonna pull the panel down, and you're gonna slide it to you, because it has a little guide where it's slide in down there. So I'll show you that. See, that's where it slides in that group right there. This little channel goes where those 2 plastics are, the pin. It slides right in there. Alright, so now that you have that out, you're gonna take 2 more screws over here, same side, T25. That's one. Take another one. So that's the whole cover. Let's put it on the side. So now we're ready to pull the filter. So make sure you put something so all your trash you collect it. You don't want the stuff to be getting in your carpet. So now we're gonna pull it down. Oh yeah, that's a lot of trash right there. Yeah. A lot of trash. Keep pulling it straight down. Oh yeah. So you can see that one looked like it been there for a couple years. So take it out completely. Just set it right here for now. So I'm gonna check in there to see if I need to vacuum that up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna vacuum that up in there, and I'll be right back. So I got the vacuum in. Now I'm gonna blow some air so the vacuum can suck it in. Now that should be clean. Alright, so now that should be clean. So now we should be able to just slide a new one in. So let me get that together. Okay, so remember we just pull it straight down like that. So if you pay attention up here, it has a little angle, that plastic right there. So the one I got doesn't have that plastic. It's not gonna need it because it's a full filter from end to end. As you can see, from end to end, it's a full filter. So this one replaces the whole thing instead of having the extra plastic. So pay attention on your little angle, but the angle is right on the top to the right. So that's how we're gonna put it in, and that's a part number in case you wanna buy the same one. So let's get back in here. And then we're just gonna put it in there. Remember, I'm doing this with one hand since I'm holding the phone with the other hand. So bear with me. I might need two hands, so let's set this right here. Set that right there. Gotta fly with it. Nothing is easy. There you go. Oh yeah. That's in, baby. So now we should just grab the cover. Work your way back, put the cover on, put the other cover, and then the last piece, and you're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I hope this video helped you.